Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. You can just about see me in there. So excited for this video because this is in collaboration with Terrarium and Crafts. If you have not subscribed to her channel, you should. She has got some fantastic videos out, lots of different crafts, terrariums, Christmas crafts and Easter crafts, and my particular favorite at the moment, you must check it out, is her Easter bonnet DIY in the Mad Hatter style. Oh my gosh, I watched the video 3 times because I loved it that much. But yeah, do check out her content. I'm going to leave a card here for her channel, so check that out. Once you've seen this, you can go and check out her one as well. So we have both decided, as we love these so much, we're both going to take some doormats and basically give them a brand new life. So I have made these. It's a trio of step door rubber mats, rubber door step. Yeah, you get me. So it's a trio of doormats which I have created to put above my bedroom headboard. So yeah, cannot wait. I cannot wait to paint that room and get these up. But hang around and I will show you exactly how to make these. And it is inspired by Emoji Style. I said that in my video last year. She's the one that inspired me to start making these because she's the person I saw it from originally. But yeah, guys, I hope you're going to love this one, and do check out Terrarium and Crafts. Let's get into the video. So if you would like to recreate this look, all you will need is some rubber doormats. Now you can get them on eBay and Amazon for around £10 depending on the design and the weight of them. I got an absolute bargain at B&M Home, well B&M, it's not B&M Home, it's B&M. So I got a 2-pack for £5, and in that 2-pack you get a step version and you get a larger doormat version. So yeah, I've taken away the larger doormat version, which is here. I'm just going to use 3 of the step versions for this video. Absolute bargain if you're creating this look. So I am using those, and I'm also using this white foam board from the range. Now this isn't available online. I don't know why. I might send them a message, but you can get it in store. This is size A1 and I won't need all of that, so they fit perfectly. I am using my Rustoleum Painter's Touch White Matte Spray. I'm also using No More Nails to stick them together. And I am using my mirror paper. Now this mirror paper I got from Amazon. It is quite expensive. I've used some already. I have enough left for this project. It's £20 for the roll, and it's a huge roll. But £20 broken down into 5 separate pieces, you know, you can't really go wrong if you're looking at it that way. But yeah, here is everything you will need for the project, and I'm going to crack on with the video. Before you take the mats outside to give them a good spray, you want to lay them down on your board, and it just so happens that these mats fit perfectly along the width of this board. I mean, I couldn't have asked for it to work out any better than it has. And then you want to draw a line all the way down, matching the size of this. Then shimmy it over, draw another line, shimmy it over again, and draw your 3rd line. Now, once I've done that, I can just take these outside, get them sprayed because they will take the longest to dry, and then come back in. While they're drying, I'm going to cut all 3 pieces out, and then I'm going to cut out 3 pieces of the mirror sticker and stick down on all 3 pieces. Now you want to make sure if you are spraying, you have to do it in a well ventilated area. I am outside in my garden. My garden is a tip, so I can't even show you. But shake the can well and follow the instructions. And you're going to do 2 coats and let them dry in between each coat. So while those mats are drying outside, I'm going to go ahead and cut this foam board up into the 3 pieces that I need. That is those cut up, and in true Claire style, I couldn't find my Stanley knife, so I've just used scissors. Really not the best thing to use for foam board, but once the mats are on, you won't see the damage behind, and they'll be so flat up against the wall, no one will know. So it's all good. So I'm now going to lay out my mirror card and put these on top and cut around them. cut your mirror paper out. If you do buy this DC Fix, it comes with 2 layers either side of the mirror. So you've got your protective layer that you peel off afterwards, and then you've got your sticky layer. So I'm just going to go ahead and peel back a bit of the sticky bit to stick it down onto the foam board. So as you go, you need to be careful here and rub it, you know, like, well, if you didn't see my last DIY, it's pretty much like when you cover your exercise books at school, if anybody did that back in the day when we had to cover our exercise books. So yeah, you basically treat it the same and you push as you go to avoid any air bubbles. I've had some great tips on my other video, and if you do get air bubbles, just use a pin to get them out. Really helpful tips. And I can just make sure it's smooth as you go along. And that is all 3 finished. They do look shabby, they look a little bit dodgy around the edges, but trust me, once the mats go on, oh, stunning. No one will ever know. It'll just be your secret between you and the foam board. So yeah, I'm just going to go outside now and give those mats a second coat of white spray. I won't film it, you've already seen it, but yeah, and I'll bring them in when they're dry and it will be assembly time. They are all dry and I'm more than happy with the way they have turned out with the 2 coats. You could go ahead and give a third, but I'm really not bothered about any sort of shading that you might come across. Now you want to flip them over. I am using No More Nails, so you want to just flip them over onto their fronts and put some dollops of No More Nails all the way around, making sure that you don't put too much. You don't want it seeping out when you put the mirror boards back on. So I'm just going to go around all 3, putting dots and splodges all the way around every single one of them. Okay, once you have put all of your glue on, I got a great tip from somebody on my first video a year ago from Sabrina Parker. I hope she doesn't mind me mentioning her name, but she saw how much I panicked in my first video with placing the mat down onto the mirror. She suggested putting the board onto the mat because the mat is flexible and the board isn't, which makes complete sense, and I didn't think of it. But yeah, so that's the plan. So I'm going to go straight over that with the boards and place them down like so. And then I am going to put some books down on top of that just to give it some weight for around about an hour, I think. Probably only needs half an hour, but I'm going to give it an hour just to make sure that they will never come off. So that is the plan. I will put some books down on there now. And yeah, can't wait. I can't wait to show you the finished, turned over, dried look. And this is the end result. I absolutely love them. Now they did need to be touched up in a couple of corners. I can't lie. I think because I lay them face down, I'm not entirely sure what went wrong, but there was a corner up here and this corner and down here in this corner. I needed to touch them up slightly. So yeah, but all in all, love, in love. And yeah, I hope you really, really like these. These are going to live above my bed in the main bedroom, but I'm not going to show you that today because I haven't painted the wall yet. But I am actually doing a home tour, house tour at the end of this month. So stay tuned and please give me a big fat thumbs up if you have liked this video and if I've inspired you in some way. And also subscribe and stick around to see that house tour, and you will see these in all their glory above the bed. So thank you so much to everybody who has watched, and I will see you in the next video.